Maintenance. 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 Okay, guys. That's what we got to work on today. So, I have a refrigerator. Alright, so what I got is I got a refrigerator. I don't know anything about these refrigerators. It's a newer refrigerators. The temperature's all over the place. Light switch is not working properly. I mean, this thing's all over the place. So, I'm gonna throw parts at it and see what happens. I talked to the guys down at the parts place. They said it's got a control board. It don't have a old style control, so got a control board. We get to replace some parts. So we're gonna open this little chimney up and see what happens. So it's got a control board right here. Electronic control board. Like I said, we're just throwing parts at it right now. Got a brand new one here in the box. Well, I don't know anything about new refrigerators. So what we're gonna do, because these boards are 80 bucks a piece. Double check. It looks like the same board. These boards are $80 a piece. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save the board just in case. Didn't even see that coming. I'm going to save the board just in case, and put it back if it didn't work. It's kind of self-explanatory on this stuff. Does it pop out or pop in? Can't tell. I can't tell if it's a pop out or pop in. There's that one. That one. And that one. Pretty self-explanatory how. Well, that's stupid. Okay, I see. So, pry it open a little bit. Get the wires out. It's the old one. I don't do much on these newer systems. Clearly. Well, at least they give you whole new everything, you know. At least this way you can just pop it in place. Pop and go, babe. Pop and go. I'm hoping that's all that's wrong with this refrigerator. Everything else seems to be working fine. What is that? Self-diagnosis? I have no clue, man. Looks like it got a little bit of a leak there of some sort. I don't know. And this is all compressor. This is all control board wiring, or the hard wire. I don't know what this is. Maybe ice maker of some sort. I don't know. Well, we'll plug her in and see what happens. Well, the light came on as soon as I opened the door. That's a good thing. Recommended. So what we can do is lieutenant now. Because that water's pretty freaking cold. Well, we do what we can.